a tribute to Mom, Mother, seraphic, deific, and beatific cherub, to the toddler and the old. The very word incites goosebumps, bestows solace and a cry in joy and pain. The symbol of virtues, sacrifice and edifies, tolerant with far-sightedness, perseverance, sweetness and crystal clear understanding, a telepathist, psychiatrist and dietitian, selfless without craving for an iota of comfort within and outside a domain, the unique love no words can encompass, a role model, a queen who reigns supreme, ever ready to inspire, captivate and enchant, radiating peace, happiness and good health, domestic goddess of wealth. Hail all mothers of compassion, the divine guardian angels dear, domestic goddess of wealth. Thank you, Mrs. Mary Rani.